Your phone isn't just a smart device, it's also a data collecting machine quietly tracking your every move, conversation, and behavior. From location pings to microphone access, it's gathering more than you think, and unless you take control, it won't stop. Here's how to shut down the most invasive settings, starting with the ones that track your location 24/7. The first setting you need to change is location services, one of the most common ways your phone tracks you in the background, even when you're not actively using apps. To change it, open Settings, then tap Privacy and Security, and select Location Services. You'll see a list of apps that have access to your location. For each one, tap on it and choose While using the app instead of Always. If you don't need location tracking for an app at all, you can choose Never, or you can disable location services instead. This stops your iPhone from constantly pinging your whereabouts, giving you more control over your privacy. Now for Android users, here's how you disable background location tracking that silently monitors your movements throughout the day. Open Settings, then tap Location. If you rarely use GPS features, you can toggle the main switch off at the top to stop all location tracking instantly. Otherwise, tap App Permissions to see which apps have access to your location. Tap on each app and change the permission to Allow only while using the app to prevent them from collecting location data when you're not actively using them. The next hidden layer of tracking happens under System Services, a section most iPhone users never check, but one that quietly logs your most visited places. To access that, go back into Location Services, then scroll all the way down and tap System Services. Here, you'll find several options collecting extra data behind the scenes. Scroll down a bit to find significant locations and routes, and then tap on it. Tap on the toggle at the tap to turn off this service, and you can also clear the logged history below. This will stop your phone from building a detailed location history. Also disable iPhone Analytics to prevent Apple from using your location for system tracking and targeted features. The Android equivalent for this setting is Google's Activity Tracking, which logs nearly everything you do, from the places you visit to the videos you watch and the apps you open. To manage it, open Settings and tap Google. Tap your profile, then select Manage your Google account. Navigate to the Data and Privacy tab. Under History Settings, you'll find Web and App Activity, Timeline, and YouTube History. Tap each one and hit Turn Off to stop Google from constantly recording your behavior across its services. The next iPhone setting you'll want to shut down is App Tracking Transparency, because even asking for permission is a loophole for tracking. To change it, go to Settings, then tap Privacy and Security, and select Tracking. From there, turn off Allow Apps to Request to Track. This blocks all apps from even asking for permission to follow your activity across other apps and websites, cutting off a major pipeline of data collection. For Android users, the next step is tightening background app permissions, because many apps quietly access your data long after you've stopped using them. Just open Settings, then tap Apps. Choose any app that doesn't need constant access. Next, tap Permissions. Then look for sensitive options like Location, Camera, or Microphone. If any of them are set to Allow all the time, change it to Allow only while using the app. This prevents apps from running silent surveillance in the background. The next iPhone setting to check is Microphone and Camera Access, because some apps may be listening or watching even when you're not aware. To review this, open Settings, then tap Privacy and Security, and select Camera. You'll see a list of apps that have requested access. If an app doesn't genuinely need to use your camera, switch its access off. This instantly blocks it from recording audio or video without your knowledge. Now do the same for the microphone. This will take a bit of your time reviewing the apps, but it's all worth it. Android users should also check microphone and camera access, because some apps might still have permission to listen or view when they really shouldn't. To do that, open Settings, scroll down, and then tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap More Privacy Settings, then tap Permission Manager. From there, tap Camera or Microphone one at a time to see which apps have access. If you find apps that don't need those permissions, tap on them and set access to Don't Allow. This stops them from capturing video or sounds without your explicit intent. The next iPhone setting to disable is hidden under Analytics and Improvements, where your phone quietly sends usage data back to Apple. To stop this, open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then select Analytics and Improvements. From here, turn off Share iPhone Analytics, improve Siri and dictation, and any other toggles that send diagnostic or usage data. These features may sound helpful, but they also share detailed information about how you use your device, often without you realizing it. On Android, a similar setting is called Usage and Diagnostics, and it quietly shares your device activity and performance data with Google. To turn it off, open Settings and tap Google. Tap on All Services, then scroll down and select Usage and Diagnostics. Disable the switch to stop your phone from automatically sending crash reports, app usage, and system info to Google. While it's meant to improve services, it also means more of your personal data is leaving your device. Another hidden data grab on your iPhone comes from Siri. Apple stores recordings of your voice to improve performance, but that data can stick around longer than you'd expect. To erase it, open Settings, then tap Siri, and select Siri and Dictation History. From there, tap Delete Siri and Dictation History to remove all stored voice recordings linked to your device. This ensures your past voice commands aren't quietly saved and analyzed behind the scenes. If you use Bixby, your voice commands are likely being saved to your Samsung account, even recordings. To delete them, launch Settings, and then tap Advanced Features. Tap Bixby and select Privacy Settings. Tap the switch next to Allow Audio Recording Review to disable it. Another iPhone setting worth disabling is ad tracking, because even Apple uses your data to target you with ads inside its own apps. To turn it off, open Settings, then tap Privacy and Security, and scroll down to Apple Advertising. Once you're there, toggle off personalized ads to stop Apple from using your data to deliver customized ads based on your behavior and interests. Android users should also take control of ad tracking, because Google uses your activity to build a detailed advertising profile without you realizing it. To do so, open Settings, then tap Google. Tap All Services and select Ads. From here, tap Add Privacy and go into each option and disable them. Go back to the previous page and tap Delete Advertising ID. Ad may still show, but they don't reflect your online activity anymore. Another iPhone setting worth reviewing is Photos and Files Permissions, because some apps may have full access to your personal media without you realizing it. To check this, open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then select Photos or Files and Folders. Look through the list of apps and decide whether they really need access. For photos, switch to Limited Access to limit what they can see, or choose None if access isn't necessary. For files and folders, you can revoke access entirely with a single tap. For Android users, another setting to consider is device and app scanning, because even security tools like Google Play Protect can collect data about how you use your phone. To do this, open Settings, then tap Security and Privacy. Tap App Security and select Google Play Protect. Tap the gear icon at the top and look for scan apps with Play Protect. If you prioritize privacy over convenience, you can turn this off to stop background scanning and data reporting to Google. Just keep in mind that doing so may slightly reduce automated app safety checks. The last Android setting you should review is Nearby Device Scanning, a feature that constantly searches for nearby devices, even when Bluetooth is off. To check on this, open Settings and tap Connections. Choose More Connection Settings and select Nearby Device Scanning. If you don't regularly use features like Quick Share or device pairing, toggle this setting off. Leaving it on allows your phone to keep scanning in the background, which can expose your presence to nearby devices and drain your battery faster. And those are the settings that you need to change to boost your privacy on your iPhone or Android device. If you found this guide helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with others. Drop a comment below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more privacy tips and tech fixes. Thanks for watching.